Hey there, what's going on? This is Rob from Panther. Today we're going to check it out how to create this abstract cubicle shape in Illustrator. First thing, make sure that you're on the stroke, and I'm going to select the hexagon, press and hold Shift plus Alt, and create the hexagon. Press and hold Alt, drag this to the right until they intersect right in the middle. As you can see, in magenta, the intersection point is right there. Okay, so let's select the direct selection tool, which is located right here. Select these three anchor points on the right and press on delete. Now we're going to select the pen tool and click in the middle path and go to the left middle path. Select all of these, right click, group. I'm going to press and hold Alt, drag this cube to the left, also press Shift to isolate, and make sure to intersect them right here. I'm going to double click on this cube and I'm going to delete with the direct selection tool this edge right here. Click on delete. And I also gonna delete this one. Press delete and delete again. I'm going to select both, right click, group. And from here I'm going to go to the effects, distort and transform, transform. Okay, the angle, it is going to be 60 degrees. I'm going to make 5 copies for 5. There you go. And we're going to adjust the horizontal and vertical. I'm going to go up, see what's going on, and going to go minus. Okay, so it starts to come together, but I still need to push it out, something like this. There you go, something like this. It's going to be, for me, the horizontal is 114, and the vertical is minus 28. I'm going to click OK, and basically this is it. Thanks for watching, and if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos at the end. Have a good one. Bye-bye.